In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 3, high ping, lag, and packet loss. First step is you want to open up CMD and right-click Run as an administrator. In here type ipconfig /flush DNS. Press enter, and then what you want to do is type netsh winsock reset, just like this. Press enter again and it might ask you to restart your PC. Just wait with this, we're not going to do that yet. Then come here and search for firewall. Open up the firewall and allow an app. Change settings, allow another app. And before you do anything else, come here and search for Steam. Open file location, right click and open file location again. Then come up here, click Ctrl C, browse, come here, click Ctrl V, press enter. Now you should be in the Steam folder and you want to open Steam apps, common, Call of Duty, and then you should have a folder called MP23. If you don't have this folder, you want to open up your multiplayer in the game. This only comes when you have the multiplayer, so make sure you load up a multiplayer. Once you've done that, this folder should be here. You're going to select this one, open, and then add it, and then it should be in here somewhere. Then what you want to do on it is you want to make sure this one is ticked and private and public is ticked on it. Now after you've done that, what you want to do is you want to come here and search for firewall again, advanced settings, inbound rules, new rule, port, next, UDP, and you want to type in 49152-65535. Next, allow all three, next, and just call it Call of Duty or whatever. Finish, and then you can close it down. After that, you want to search for View Network Connections, go to your internet and go to Properties, find Internet Protocol 4, Properties, use the following DNS and type in 8888.8844. Press OK, and now try and restart your PC. Now I really hope this helped fix the issue. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.